this one I'm gonna use to bake codfish. These are the codfish that my husband went fishing and he caught them. So I'm gonna show you what they look like. I'm gonna put olive oil in there. Oh, probably about a tablespoon and a half or so, and just spread it all in there. I like olive oil because there's no cholesterol in there. So just spread the oil. And then secondly, I'm gonna put the fish in. Lawry seasoned salt, no MSG. Sprinkle it on the fish. There you go. And then black pepper. Black pepper probably about half teaspoon at least. And the seasoning salt is probably about a little bit over a half spoon, so probably 3/4 spoon. I'm gonna put parsley in there, okay? Parsley flakes. I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of parsley. There you go. And then I'm gonna put red onions in there, about 1/4 of a cup. I'm gonna put cream of mushroom on top of the fish. 10.5 ounces of cream of mushroom. Okay, here's the cream of mushroom. I'm gonna scoop him up and just spread it all over. As I said, you don't have to use cream of mushroom. You can use any type of cream, like celery, cream of asparagus, things like that. I'm making a mess. Or you can even put cheese on top of this instead of what I'm doing now, instead of the cream of mushroom. So I'm not going to use all of them because there's so much. But it gives a really good flavor on the fish. And then I'm going to bake it for about 15 minutes. Actually, that's long, but the oven is already hot and 15 minutes is about the right. So I just covered the whole fish right there. Okay. So it's ready to go. I'm going to put it in the oven right now. There you go. And that's going to be 15 minutes. 450. So here's the other one. This one is the codfish. Look, it's still boiling. Yum, yum, yum. It's gotta be really yummy. Okay, here it is. Let me turn it over. Oh, yum. Look at that.